charismatic, fruitful and energetic. Good evening to one and all present over here. Here myself, Harshvardhan, your fellow mate with my co-partner, Mr. Alok.
So guys, may I grab your attention?
Yeah!
May I pull your chairs?
Yeah!
So very positive evening to one and all present over here. Here myself Alok with my co-partner, Mr. Harshvardhan.
Guys, everyone!
So Mr. Harshvardhan,
Yes, Mr. Alok.
why we are here today?
I don't know. May you please tell me why we all are gathered here?
You know Mr. Harshvardhan, you are very stupid kind of person.
After meeting you, buddy.
Oh my god, wow, what a joke. Guys, everyone. So Mr. Harshvardhan, let me tell you. So guys, we all are here. We all are here for the felicitation of Miss Sakshi.
So, Mr. Alok, it's a high time. Shall we call the anchor?
Yes!
Shall we call the anchor?
Yes!
Shall we call the anchor?
Yes!
Please welcome Mr. Rajveer and Miss
Simon!
Very charismatic good evening to one and all present over here. Here this is Rajveer with my co-partner, Miss Simon.
Guys, everyone, you know why we all are gathered over here?
Yeah!
Guys, I'm not getting the energy. Are we all connected?
Yeah!
Yes, Mr. Rajveer, kindly tell us.
So guys, we all gathered over here for felicitating someone. Guys, for what? For felicitation of someone.
Someone.
Guys, I will not reveal. Guys, you know who is she? Yes, guys, she is very famous girl of Rampura and Totara market. Guys, everyone. And guys, she is the queen of activities.
Queen of activities.
Yes, she is the queen of Rampura.
Queen of Rampura.
Yes, she is the famous girl of cafe.
Famous girl of our cafe.
Yes.
Proceed
So
fast.
guys, that girl is Miss Sakshi. So guys, I want to say something. लेवल सबके निकलेंगे, लेवल सबके निकलेंगे, लेकिन निकलेंगे उनके जो साक्षी की तरफ परफॉर्म करेगा.
Mr. Rajveer, what do you want to see as a first performance?
So Miss Saima, I want to see the dance, beautiful dance.
Yes, Mr. Rajveer, we all know that you are always in the mood. But first, we will call the dancing queen. We will call the dancing queen. So yes, Mr. Rajveer.
So guys, the dancing queen is Miss Ella.
बन जा तू मेरी रानी तेनू महल दवा दूंगा बन मेरी महबूबा मैं तेनू ताज पवा दूंगा बन जा तू मेरी रानी तेनू महल दवा दूंगा बन मेरी महबूबा मैं तेनू ताज पवा दूंगा सुन मेरी रानी रानी बन मेरी रानी रानी शाहजहान मैं तेरा तेनू मुमताज बना दूं
हंसने की तीले से
ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਜੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਝੂਠ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਅਰਸ਼ਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਪਰੀਆਂ ਬੁਲਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ ਖਾਵਾ ਸੱਚ ਰੱਬ ਦੇ ਦੁਆਰਾਂ ਵਰਗਾ ਰੂਪ ਕਿਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਮੁਟਿਆਰਾਂ ਵਰਗਾ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ ਭਾਵੇਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਮੁਕਾਬਲਾ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਵੇਖ ਲਓ
छम छम आए मुझे तरसाए तेरा साया छेड़ के चूमता ओह तुझ मुस्काए तुझ शर्माए जैसे मेरा है खुदा झूमता तू ही मेरी है बरकत तू ही मेरी इबादत और कुछ ना जानूं बस इतना ही जानूं तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या
Have you attention? Yes! Have you enjoyed the performance of Miss Adam?
Yes!
So guys, do you know I am having one shairi for Miss Adam. Guys, do you want to listen?
Yes!
So guys, my shairi goes like मेरा दिल भी ले गई मेरा चैन भी ले गई
शाबाश, जोर से बस
मेरा दिल भी ले गई मेरा चैन भी ले गई लेकिन हद तो तब हो गई जब मेरा 5 रुपए का पेन भी ले गई
English cafe has taught you many things.
So guys, make your attention. Yes. So Miss Adam, can you tell something about Sakshi? Like, what are the moments you enjoyed with her? Like, tell about how you feel whenever you talk with Sakshi, whenever you perform, like everyone perform in the road place, in the debate. So can you tell about that?
Train students. This is important, students who are recorded.
So very wonderful. Good evening to each and everyone here this side, Iram Fatma. Guys, do you know one thing? Have you seen a mother love? That is the invisible thing. That like Miss Sakshi, her love is invisible. She always loved me. Do you know one thing? When my mother passed away, that I'm not able to stand properly. But she is only one who made me happy, who made me my life happy, very joyful. I think so. He is God for me. If she come in my life, I feel that my BF come in my life.
Beautiful. What made you say so that she is your boyfriend? Only because she has been a beefy one?
Yes, sir.
No, I don't think so. There is another element to it. What
Yes,
is the
sir.
element?
So we have always understand the feeling of girlfriend. Like that only she always understand my feeling. She always say that, Iram, you have to do this thing. Do you know? Do you want to eat chocolate? Do you want to eat ice cream? She always understand me. That's why I call Priya.
Very good, Bita.
Make me see the beautiful dance of Miss Adam. So
Yes,
Miss
Mr. Razvi.
So Miss Time, I want to say that you have fulfilled my wish. Now my turn to fulfill your wish. So
Yes.
Miss Time, ask, what do you want?
Yes, Mr. Razvi. Now I want to adhere a lyrical and a melodious music.
Okay, Miss Time, do you know I have called a biggest singer from another country, from another universe. So guys, he is better than Ajit Singh also. So guys, let's call Mr. Andy Anderson.
So guys, the song which I am going to sing, this song is written by me, and this song I haven't
sing anywhere yet. So the song name is Kafi Nahi Hai. So we are
Certainly, my dear.
काफी नहीं है ये रातें ये बातें अनकही चाहते अधूरी सी मुलाकातें मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि दूर हो जाओगे यूं तुम दूर हो जाओगे यूं तुम दूर हो जाओगे यूं तुम मैंने सोचा नहीं था कागज बिखरी से आई लफ्जों की रुबाई कलम की ये सिहाई यूं फीकी पड़ जाएगी हम दोनों के किस्से खतों के हिस्से यादों की लिफाफे में रख जाओगे मैंने सोचा नहीं था दिल छोड़ जाओगे यूं तुम छोड़ जाओगे यूं तुम दूर हो जाओगे यूं तुम मैंने सोचा नहीं था
Yes, Mr. Annie. What a lyrical and melodious performance you have
But
given.
I did not expect this level of energy, guys. Come on, Annie sang a song and you were so low.
So, Mr. Andy, as I know that you are the really very big fan of Miss Sakshi in the classes. Like whenever I used to see you, you used to talking with her always in the break. Like you were not giving me any chance of talking with her. I want to say that. So, Mr. Andy, kindly share any memory. Like you have enjoyed with her. Like you have talked. You are having any funny talks with her. So kindly share to all the audience.
Let's jog the memory lane, Annie.
Thank you sir for
Thank
giving
you,
me the opportunity. Thank you Mr. Rajvi for giving me this chance. Really glad to hear to be the part of this occasion. I want to share my experience with Miss Sakshi. When I met her very first time, I was Miss Shubhangi ma'am. Shubhangi ma'am was counseling me and she was besides me and she was quoting her Instagram. At that time, I was looking at her that this behavior is rude, but after gradually I meet her, I talk to her, and I get to know her. She's a very good person, very positive soul, and I talk to her very much before any performance. Whenever I perform, before performing, I talk to her very much that what I have to do, what I can do.
And one best thing you've liked about her. One thing which you will be taking today from her, inculcating, grabbing, accumulating, and kind of implementing it in your life.
Thank you, sir, for giving me the
One
chance.
thing.
Sir, nowadays girls are very sweet and innocent.
Like it.
They are just like a butterfly. They are just like a flower. But Miss Sakshi is a very strong woman.
I got it.
She is a very handsome woman.
Got it.
So yes, Mr. Rajvi, now please kindly tell us what do you want to see next as a performance?
So Miss Saima, I have seen the dance of Miss Aram. I have listened the song of Mr. Andy. Now I want to see the little student performing. Like I want to see the little champs on the stage while doing the dance. So Miss Saima, have you arranged something for me and for my audience?
Yes, Mr. Rajvi, the little toddlers of our English cafe, the little shining stars, they will come on the stage and have perform a dance. They will give a beautiful dance. Yes, now the performer name is Miss Pari, Miss Dakshi and Miss Sarika. My favorite
one by one.
Yes, beta. It's
So
what-
thank you, Mr. Rajveer, for giving me this golden opportunity here this at Dakshi. So guys, may I have your attention?
Yes!
So in my reception, like for the first time when I meet, like when I met Miss Shakshi, then I was just having
Beta, I would
my.
like to intervene here. When I met with this Sakshi. Carry on.
When I met with Miss Shakshi, I was like that scared that I was not even trying to speaking. I was not even trying to speak. But then Miss Shakshi said to me that
Shabash.
calm down, and then she counseled me that well. That my mother, when we went to home, then she also said to me that how polite that
Yes.
girl was, and I was like when I meet her, I was thinking that how polite she is, how kind she is to the children, little, and to the elder one also. And when I meet her, I was just like felt that if I will be studying with her, if she will guide me, then
Good.
my English will be reaching over here. And I would
Towering
like-
heights. Well
yes,
done.
sir, towering heights. And so I would like to say that I love her. We all love her.
Well, beta. Great job. She's very gentle and soft by her nature. Very benevolent girl.
Yes.
Funny beta, your experience.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Mr. Rajveer, for giving me this chance. May I have attention? Yes. So I would like to say that so her soul is very much positive. Whenever I'm upset, after seeing her smile, so I get very much happy. Because so whenever I see her, so like she gives us the positive vibe. So I would like to say that I pray that her all wishes may come true and her all dreams come true.
Guys,
Yes, Miss Garima, now tell what is your viewpoint on Miss Shakshi.
So thank you, Mr. Rajveer, for giving me this chance. Here is your Garima. So sir, I want to share my bit of over here. When I met with Miss Sakshi, I was feeling like too much happiness and too much positive in my body. Yes, sir. And just I was coming over here and in the November, and she will give me positiveness. Thank you, sir.
Well done, Sarkar. Sakshi has counseled everyone.
So guys, may I grab your attention?
Yes!
So now, Mr. Harsh, what do you want to see or listen?
Yes, Mr. Rajveer. Now I want to see a one again dance performance. And the dance performance was like a squad dance performance.
What do you mean by squad?
Sir, the meaning of the squad performance that in the group of the dance performance, all the participants will be 4 or to 5.
So guys, may I grab your attention?
Yes!
So Mr. Harsh, for you, I have got the Apsaras from the Swarg. I have got the beautiful Apsaras from the Swarg. So guys, let's go. Miss Sakshi, Miss Kashish, Miss Kanika, and Miss Saudate.
she also runs Zumba dance classes. Guys, round of applause for Priyanka. And everyone accompanied at her place, and they slogged their guts. They worked very, very hard with great dedication.
Yes.
And we could see the synchronization.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We could see the synchronization. We could see the coordination. Kashish, this is called the dance.
Yes, sir.
क्या बोलते हैं? छन छन बोले?
Chum, 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 chum,
Dance करने की भूल गए। Well done. Very good. Very good.
So guys, may I grab your attention? Yes! So Miss Sakshi, Miss Duplicate Sakshi, the copy of Miss Sakshi, the Sarojini Market Sakshi. I want to ask the question that what are the movements, special movements with Miss Original Sakshi?
Now this is important.
So thank you so much, Mr. Raju, for giving me this marvelous time, and thank you so much, sir. So sir, to be very honest, one thing is very, very important I like on Sakshi did that, sir, she is having a too much responsibility, but she never having a
Never.
little bit attitude in this set.
Well done.
I am having a this much responsibility, and sir, she is very positive girl, very charming girl, and sir, one of the very positive
You
girl.
need to maintain the eye contact in front of the crowd, beta. आप भीड़ है.
Yes, sir, one of the very positive girl in the cafe, sir. Sorry to be said, but sir, one day you scolded me, so that point of time, I feel very bad. So you know, sir, Sakshi said to me that sir is always saying it for your benefit, not for your this
I'm never harmed. Sir is never against.
Yes, sir.
Whatever sir does, I can't praise myself. Right?
Yes, sir. So that point of time, Sakshi is always said to me that
Thank
you
you,
are
sir.
wrong. So that
Thank you, beta. Well done. Kashish, what has been your experience?
Yes, sir. Guys, may I have your attention? Yes. Good evening, everyone. I would like to say that to Miss Sakshi, we will definitely miss you a lot. But if I talk about my experience, she is very positive girl,
Very
and she is very benevolent girl. She never shows her ego, and she never shows her attitude.
Never.
She is with everyone, with every new entrant. She is very polite, very calm. And Miss Sakshi, I would like to say that I love you so much.
Wow.
We love you so very
Last but not the least, Rajveer, I know we don't have time. Saima, beta.
much. Yes, sir.
Saima, when did you join the institute, beta? Our institute? Do you remember the date and time?
Yes, sir. 29th November.
November, beta.
Yes.
So, your camaraderie with Sakshi, please.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for giving me this wonderful chance. So, sir, first I would like to say that Miss Sakshi, whenever someone see Miss Sakshi, energy transfers, sir. So, she is a very positive girl. Sir, when I joined the cafe, she take my test. And sir, even I write only one line in that copy. And she says that in 10 days, you will be writing the 15 lines, sir. So she is just giving me energy. Sir, on that day when you scold me very badly, sir. So she is the one girl who come with us. And sir, she make me positive girl, sir. She is very benevolent girl, sir, kind-hearted girl, sir. We miss you, Miss Sakshi.
मैं डांटता गया और ये पॉजिटिव करती गई।
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Swami. All right. So now, the next performance is.
Okay, sir. Yes, Mr. Rajveer would like to say something. Yes, Mr.
So
Rajveer.
guys, it's time to say goodbye to you all. Before that, I want to say one शायरी. So guys, मैं ब्रेकफास्ट में खाता हूँ कीवी.
जोर से बस के।
मैं ब्रेकफास्ट में खाता हूँ कीवी. तो दोस्तों मैं चाह ढूंढे अपनी बीवी.
It's a big dhamaka. It's a big dhamaka. So guys, please welcome Mr. Yazan and Miss Anna.
Hello, Joel. Let's
So guys, are you excited? Yes. Are you on your mark? Yes. Are you happy? Yes. So very beautiful good evening to each and everyone here this at your beautiful Aram with my co-partner, beautiful Yazan.
Please cannot let Yazdan simply be on the stage. Yazdan, you have to perform. I know you have been hitting on him. Nonsense. From today you've been hitting her. Maybe play that song which he loves the most.
Yes, sir.
This in the best sense of humor.
Yes, yes.
Let's get started.
So guys, everyone, may I have your attention? Yes! Are we all judged up? Yes! So wishing you a very charming good afternoon and good evening to each and everyone. One in our present over here. Here myself, Yazdan, guys, for me, everyone. Guys, I know I am wasting your a lot of time. So now, without wasting your any more single second, Miss Aram, do you know who is coming? I don't know, Mr. Yazdan. Do you know now? As expected from you. Guys, Guys, may I have your attention? Yes! Guys, let me give you the hint that who is coming. Guys, do you know, when he walks, it seems like the Kapil Sharma in our cafe. Guys, Kapil Sharma in our cafe. And let me tell you one more thing.
Students.
Guys, may I again have your attention? Yes! Guys, let me tell you one more thing. He is the charming personality of our cafe. He is the handsome personality of our cafe. He is the brightest personality of our cafe. So Miss Aram, should we call him? Mr. Yazdan, उन्हें पता ही नहीं है. तुमसे होता ही नहीं है.
Nina on the Nina.
So guys, please welcome Mr. Gittan Chandra.
Yes. फेशियल नहीं है? क्या है यार? अभी मैं सोचूं फेशियल तो लड़कियों का होता है, मुझे वाले लड़कों का कब से शुरू हुआ? मतलब मेरी मूंछों से पहले इनकी मूंछें आ गई थी। जब मतलब नॉर्मली क्या होता है, जब बच्चा पैदा होता है तो वो रोता है। ये इनको इतना डांस का कीड़ा है, वहाँ पे पीछे बच्चा रो रहा था, उसके रोने पे डांस कर रही थी। मतलब डॉक्टर ने इनको पैदा करने के बाद बोला, अरे भैया पी का हो गए हो। मतलब आपने वो लाइन सुनी है ना, हमारी छोरियां छोरों से कम है के? इनको देखने के बाद हमारी छोरी तो लगी नहीं रही है। चलो साक्षी दीदी की बहुत हो गया, इनका फेलिस्टेशन क्या है? फेलिस्टेशन है। छोड़ो, मुझे तो केक खाने से मतलब इनका फेलिस्टेशन है। तो यार आजकल ना सोशल मीडिया का बहुत जमाना हो गया है ना। जिसे देखो सोशल मीडिया, स्नैपचैट, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक। स्नैपचैट तक ठीक है, एक होते हैं वेले लोग, फिर होते हैं हद से ज्यादा वेले लोग, फिर होते हैं वो लोग जो स्नैपचैट पे स्ट्रीक बनाते हैं। मतलब स्ट्रीक बनाना तक तो ठीक है, फोटो में कुछ भी भेजते हैं, कुछ भी। मैंने एक बार एक बंदे की स्ट्रीक देखी, उसमें एक बंदे ने अपने पैर के अंगूठे पे लिखा हुआ था आई लव यू बेबी सो मच। चलो यहाँ तक ठीक है, मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ बाई चांस उसको दिखाना पड़ जाए, अगर उसकी बेबी बोले प्रूफ क्या है तुम मेरे से प्यार करते हो, मैंने अपने शरीर पे लिखवाया, कहाँ लिखवाया? अच्छा सोशल मीडिया से याद आया, आजकल ना रिलेशनशिप मतलब छोटे छोटे बच्चे, इतने छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, मतलब क्या कर रहे हैं मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा। वो वीडियो कॉल करके एक दूसरे को दिखा रहे, आज मैंने ये बनाया, लड़की कह रही है बेटी आज मैंने मैगी बनाई है, गोल 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 गोल। अच्छा यहाँ तक तो फिर भी ठीक है, लड़का भी मोबाइल का मैगी बड़ी हार्ड है, मेरे दांत टूट गए। अच्छा सोशल मीडिया से ज्यादा क्रिकेट का बहुत क्रेज हो रहा है। हम क्रिकेट को ना एज अ टैलेंट ले ही नहीं रहे, हमें ऐसा लग रहा है क्रिकेट प्लेयर हमारे भाई बहन है, मतलब इज्जत ही नहीं दे रहे। वहाँ शुभमन गिल अगर फील्डिंग कर रहा होता है उसको बोलते हैं हमारी भाभी कैसी हो, सारा भाभी जैसी हो, तुम्हारी बुआ का लड़का है शुभमन। मतलब वो तुम्हारी भाभी कैसे हो सकती है यार, क्रिकेटर है, इज्जत दो। विराट कोहली आता है चीकू चीकू चीकू, गुस्सा आ गया ना तुम्हारे सेब केले संतरे थोड़ी सी इज्जत तो दो। चलो इज्जत से आ गया, इज्जत से मेरे को लड़कियां याद आ गई, चलो उनका क्योंकि हम लड़कों की तो होती नहीं है तो किस ने लड़कियों की ड्राइविंग देखी है? मैं वो नहीं कह रहा, नॉर्मल बात है, किस ने एक्चुअली में देखे करती क्या है वो। अच्छा ज्यादातर लड़कियां तो सबने देखी है, सबको पता है ना कैसी होती है लड़कियों की ड्राइविंग। ज्यादातर लड़कियां ना पायलट नहीं होती, पता है क्यों? ये नहीं क्योंकि उनको प्लेन चलाना नहीं आता, ये नहीं कि रोक के बादल को कौन बोलेगा अभी अच्छा लड़की प्लेन चला रही है। दूसरा प्लेन आ रहा हो उसका हाथ देकर कौन बोलेगा आगे चले जा, आगे इसको प्लेन चलाना नहीं आता, क्रैश कर देगी। मतलब लड़कियां अगर अमेरिका की फ्लाइट को पाकिस्तान में उतार के बोलेगी भाई मेरी क्या गलती है, तुम यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान क्यों ले आए, मैं तो वहीं जा रही थी तुम्हारी। की स्कूटी से पहले मम्मी बैठने से पहले मम्मी को फोन कर देता हूँ, मम्मी देखो आज तक आपने मुझे बहुत प्यार दिया, बट अब ना मेरी लास्ट इच्छा। मम्मी पूछते कहाँ बैठा है सर, कि मैंने कहा बैठ की स्कूटी पे, कहती अच्छा अंतिम संस्कार के पैसे मुझे पेटीएम कर दिए। पता है कि कुछ भी हो सकता है जब लड़कियां ड्राइविंग करती है ना। अच्छा मम्मियों से आ रहा है, हमारी मम्मियां ना बहुत मासूम होती है, मतलब उनको ये तो पता हो कि बच्चे को डांटना है, भविष्य के लिए डांटना है, बट यार कभी कभी वो कहीं भी डांट देती है। मेरा एक दोस्त था, वो एक प्रोफेशनल मीटिंग कर रहा था, तो उसका वो बिजनेस चल रहा था। उसकी मम्मी गई ऐसे गेट खोला, तूने आज फिर से वॉशरूम में पानी नहीं डालना। मतलब चार लोग पड़ोसी आके बोल रहे बदबू आ गई, नया लड़का कैसे पैदा कर लिया तुमने, डायपर नहीं चेंज करते। मैं कह रही लड़का कब पैदा कर लिया वो तो फिर बाद में हमने वॉशरूम में देखा तो देखा लड़का तो पैदा हो चुका था पहले। तो गाइस
गुड जॉब गाइस, गो ऑन, लेट्स अप्रिशिएट गाइस।
डांस देखा था एरन का, मतलब नॉर्मल डांस तक तो ठीक है, जब वो बात बोल के ऐसे कसम से बता रहा हूँ, मैं उस रात को सो नहीं पाता अकेले, मेरे हाथ ऐसे ऐसे कर रहे होते। So guys, जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि आजकल बच्चों में ना मतलब बहुत ज्यादा क्रेज हो रहा है, मतलब कुछ भी कर रहे हैं बच्चे, कुछ भी। बच्चे मतलब गाना भी पता कैसे सुनेंगे, मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, सपनों में उनके भूत आके डराते तो मम्मी के पास आते, मम्मी वॉशरूम तक ले जाओ, मुझे अकेले टॉयलेट करने में डर लगता है।
वहाँ ले चलो, let's talk.
So thank you, coordinator, for giving me the chance and being a senior. I'm not saying that I'm the senior of Miss Sakshi, but I have joined here.
Technically, yes.
I have joined here before Sakshi, so I have seen her journey from there to there.
So,
actually, when she just came for the first time, at that time she was not very much confident. She was not able to make friends. You know, she was a kind of notorious child. We say notorious child, and sir used to poke her every time, like you have to perform. But sometimes she used to refrain. Sometimes she used to, prove herself that what she can do. So moreover, when I have just left my cafe journey because in the middle due to my personal reasons. But after that, when I rejoined, I have seen Miss Sakshi, how she has changed from that to that. I was not able to believe. Even I thought that after Miss Shubhangi, she is the perfect copy of her. I never thought that someone can replace Shubhangi. But replaces are never being made. But if you are the first copy of that person, then you are one of the person who is on the right.
Who will be coming on the stage? Let me think. Oh, I know. Do you know, guys? A girl, which is too much mysterious. Guys, till now you have seen the dance, you have seen the singing, but guys, this girl is just a miracle, guys, just a miracle. This girl will be showing you something that is too much unique, too much crazy, guys. Let me tell you, guys, have you ever seen yoga plus dance?
Wow!
Yes, guys, this girl on the planet would be showing you the yoga plus dance, guys. Miss Aram, yoga plus dance. So, guys, shall we call? Yes! Please welcome Miss Kanika
बैठा जब मुझे वो दिखी थी, वो सबसे अलग थी, वो सबसे हंसी। आंखें मेरी फिर उसकी आंखों से जा मिली, एक बारी दो बारी फिर निकली हंसी। एक हाथ हवा विच दूजे च गिलास, ते मैनू नहीं पता सी गिलास च की, बट हौली हौली लक नू घुमा के नचदे लगे सो सेक्सी। ओ तकदी मैनू, मैं तकदा ओनू, माहौल में टेंशन बढ़ने लगी। खुदा की कसम न कभी मैंने पी, हाँ फिर भी थोड़ी थोड़ी चढ़ने लगी। रुका न गया, मैं गया ओदे कोल। I said I wanna talk, ओ कहंदी मैनू बोल। मैं ओदे नेड़े जाके ओनू पुछया, baby do you freak like you dance, cause you dance like a pro। जैसे हिलती है वैसे मत हिला कर, लगे मुझे रहेगी रब से मिला कर। बारी तेरी हार देना चंचला फर, तेरी माँ ने तुझे बड़ा किया क्या खिला कर। रुक जाए दो when you get down low, कर लो रहम थोड़ा मेरी मानो। ऐसे मेरी जान ना मेरी जान लो, ऐसे मेरी जान ना मेरी जान लो। ढूंढा बट कोई ना निकली कमी, पैरों के नीचे से निकली जमी। बंद भी करो अब करना यू टीज, हाथों को छोड़ के कहता हूँ प्लीज। थोड़ा कर लो रहम, कर लो रहम थोड़ा कर लो रहम, कर लो रहम थोड़ा कर
कर लो रहम, कर लो रहम, थोड़ा 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 कर लो।
है तो there are no words.
Yes, sir.
I could see those emotions and tears well up in your eyes. Great job. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Guys, little bit of silence. Miss Aram, please close your eyes. Close. I will take it.
Sense.
Close. Guys, quickly, let me try on your sister. So, Miss Shifa, could you be my wife? Sorry.
Yes, yes. We will do after marriage. Okay, great. So guys, may I grab your attention? Yes. In the back, may I grab your attention? Yes. Guys, do you know who will be coming on the stage? No. Have you seen Motu Patlu? Yes. Guys, Motu and Patlu ki jodi. Guys, so Mr. Yadav and Sarvikar,
Yes, Miss Aram, without any doubt.
please welcome Mr. Vivek and
Are you all excited for our performance?
Yes.
Guys, do you know what we are doing?
Let me tell them.
So tell.
Guys, first of all, I would like to ask you all. Do you all know what I am doing? No. Miss Sakshi, do you know? No. Yes. Would anyone like to venture a guess?
Yes.
May you venture the guess, Mr. Tare?
Come on. It's going to be very unique and very special. It has never been attempted ever on the stage. It's being attempted for the very first time. I can't remember, but मुझे लगता है attack.
Guys, may I have your attention? Yes. I know you both are here for the shairi.
So guys, give a round of applause.
So guys, as the information is leaked, now, Mr. Vivek, as you have promised, you will start the shairi. Please start the shairi.
Now guys, we will start shairi one by one. So guys, first shairi man. For Miss Sakshi. देखो फिर से रात आ गई। समझ के? देखो फिर से रात आ गई, गुड नाइट कहने की बात आ गई। हम तो बैठे थे तारों की फना में, एक्टिविटी देखा आपकी याद आ गई।
So guys, now the turn of the cutest person of this English cafe.
Oh my God.
So guys, my शायरी goes like, कदान में मिलता है कोला, कदान में मिलता है कोला। Miss Sakshi, you have डोला शोला।
So guys, I'm repeating again. गधा। Guys, खदान में मिलता है कोयला, खदान में मिलता है कोयला। मिस साक्षी जो है डोला सोला।
So guys, now again my turn. So guys, my शायरी goes like, कुछ है बैठे, कुछ है खड़े, कुछ है बैठे, कुछ है खड़े। साक्षी जी, आप हो हमारे लिए सबसे बड़े।
Now guys, it's my turn. Now, ना कॉफी ना चाय, ना कॉफी ना चाय। साक्षी जी, आप हैं नोरा फतेही की छठी कॉपी।
So guys, now again me, the cutest one, Miss Sakshi. So this is a special shairi that I have made for you from my heart. So the shairi goes like, Sakshi ji, today for you we have kept a fast. Today for you we have kept a fast. In these 5 years you have done a blast.
Now guys, मोती को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं पर्ल, मोती को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं पर्ल। We all love you, beefy girl.
one thing about Sakshi that I really admire a lot.
Yes.
That is her confidence.
Confidence.
I mean, like seriously, she doesn't care when she's on the
On the
stage. She
stage.
doesn't care who is looking at her and what compliments people are giving her. She is always dancing. When she
So true.
dances, she dances with confidence.
With great expressions.
Yes, sir.
Dancing.
Especially her laugh. Like she laughs so loud and she doesn't care that who is just saying anything, whatever.
And Divya used to be bothered. People used to be bothered, with her laugh
Yeah.
and all that stuff. But I kept on telling her, don't give a damn. You keep on laughing.
Yes, definitely. So the best is that she's being organic. She's not doing any filters on her face, and she's not really being something different that she's not. So definitely this is one thing that I really, really love about you, Sakshi. And I think you deserve this day. Very you have been great to this cafe. You have given so many strength to this cafe. I would say that she's somebody that the day I was embarking my minor role
Yes.
play. that-
How we can forget the epic full role play?
Yes, sir.
Executed on the stage.
Yes, sir.
मैं आज पहली बार एक्सेप्ट करूंगा उसके बाद वैसी एनर्जी पैदा नहीं हुई. But I'm trying my little hard.
Yes, sir.
Big hands to Harsh and everyone especially to Divya. Never ever seen in the history, in the wildest history of English cafe history.
Yes, sir.
What a role. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, I would say that she's definitely someone the day I was getting very nervous because I was really, not sure about the anchors. So I just went to Sakshi and I just started saying that I'm really very nervous right now. So she told me that I'm there, don't you worry. You just see there.
Yes.
And I'm organizing everything.
Organizing
Just
it.
standing over
Yes.
here. So there is something that I got positivity from her. And that positivity really given me, I can say, strength
Wow.
to embarking that biggest role play.
Biggest role.
So I would say the felicitation itself a very big word, a very heavy emotions. So I would like to congratulate
बहुत बढ़िया.
once again to you, and you definitely deserve it.
Let me-
May I grab your attention? Yes. So Mr. Yasir, who will be coming?
Yes, guys, again may I have your attention? Yes! Guys, actually I believe the energy is getting low and low. Guys, again may I have your attention? Yes! That's the good energy from your side. Guys. Now, it's time to call the last performer of our day. Guys, let me tell you about her. She is the gangster of Rakura, guys. She's
चुराना मेरा जिया गोरिया, चुराना मेरा जिया गोरिया, चुराना मेरा जिया गोरिया, चुराना मेरा जिया।
अब मैं और ज्यादा नहीं बोलूंगा साक्षी बेटा, because you literally cried and you're crying like a child. Guys, round of applause. Sakshi, come on.
So can everybody may I grab your attention? Yes! First of all, I would like to say thank you so much all the team, those who have done the decoration, those who have prepared a cake, those who have prepared the trophy. I would like to say thank you so much. Let me tell you guys, it has happened just because of sir. And this trophy only deserves one person, that is my father. Let me tell you why, because he is the only one, I don't know from where he has found this best institute for me for learning English. And let me tell you, he was not having the expectation from me that I can do anything in my future. But when I have come here, he is just like my father and he has supported me a lot and my whole life here till 5 years.
5 years, come on! इंसान 6 महीने में घबरा जाता है. 5 years, Yash Gupta, Priyashu, oh my God, these are my family members.
And
5 years.
It has gone very struggleful. I have done a lot of hard work. I have taken one day of 4 classes where I have thought that where I have to learn. If you are having, from here inside only the craviness to learn, you can take 4 classes, 5 classes, but the effort should be of yours.
Yes.
Which you will be putting at your home. If you are putting 100%, the result will be coming here 100% only. If you will be giving 500%, I have thought it. I want to keep the expectation of sir here only upon the apex level. I hope I have reached, not till now, but I will be definitely reaching on the apex level.
You remember those days? Morning, afternoon, evening, morning, afternoon, evening, morning.
Yes, sir.
For years, students. For years. Krish, behave.
Yes, sir. I have taken all the classes of sir, and whatever I have learned and whatever material sir is providing, that is very useful and essential for you all because it has helped me here. As I am going to the industry IAS,
Yes.
here I have done the debate as a professionalism.
Love
Here
that.
we do the aggression part, but there I have done the profession and I have won that debate competition.
Tushar as well.
Industry IAS and the Tushar as
Tushar
well.
ne jeeta tha.
Yes, sir. There only. So this has helped me here and I have put it there. So it was very helpful. Their teacher was also saying, sir, that who has made you learn these type of aggression, because
sometimes little bit also I have shown the aggression
Yes,
there.
it's important,
That's why they were appreciating me that where you have
और अब
learned
आलोक को भी किया जा रहा है. आलोक is also getting appreciation. Well done, Alok.
it. Yes, sir. So I would like to say I have given the name of sir only there, that he is the only person who has taught me everything. Let me.
Let's also not forget Shubhangi, guys. She's not here for some reasons. Thank you. My journey, I'll be speaking very less. My journey is incomplete without Shubhangi. Very much incomplete. That's it. Sakshi.
Yes.
Somewhere down the line she couldn't come because of some reasons. I will be texting you, letting you know what were the reasons. But this moment belongs to Sakshi.
Yes.
Sakshi beta, live in the moment, become mindful. 2 or 3 lines more for this institute, more for your life, future perspective.
Yes, sir.
क्या होने वाला है future में?
I would like to say, as I am a UPSC aspirant, I am preparing for a UPSC. So next year I am about to go to give the exam there only. I hope that it will be, good and the result will be there. But I would like to say to all the coordinators, it's my humble request, or I can plead in front of you that kindly help to sir, kindly give help to sir. Whatever he needs from you, kindly fulfill it. That one day you can't do, but second day do it double. I would like to say, and all the ex-students of mine, which I know that Alia, Miss Neha, and Mr. Anubhav, and all of you, all the Pradyuman, Fatima, and Radhika, and all, because they have helped me a lot. As you are new for me, but they are old for me, but I can say they have given that much support. And Shubhangi Di, let me tell you, when I have taken the class of Miss Shubhangi Di, I have given the flat refusal to Mr. Piyush, Srishti's brother Piyush, that I said no, I don't agree with him. And directly, because I didn't know about the culture there. And my first day was the hell, I can say, because sir is the only one who has taken the test of mine, and I have given two tests. Miss Shubhangi ma'am.
She was not ready to maintain the eye contact with me.
Yes.
आँखें नहीं मिला रही थी. मैंने कहा बेटा, what is your good name? Sakshi. बेटा what is it? मेरा father helped her.
Yes, sir. And my father is very strict. Till now, he is very strict, but he is very calm from inside. Sir has met with my father, and everybody of you have met with my father. He is the only one who wants me to be reaching here. And beside me also, he is just also like my father only. He also wanted me to reach on the apex level. Definitely in the future, I will be, fulfilling all the dreams of sir, all the dreams of my father, all the dreams of my mother, and all of your dreams, whatever you are having, I will be fulfilling you. Whatever you need from me, I will be giving you, and whatever motivation you want, I will be giving you. Kindly contact me one time, I will be giving you 1,000 of motivation.
अंग्रेजी आईना इज्जत लेके जाना है.
Yes.
Please don't spoil your image over here. I am folding my hands. Please don't ruin your image. Image is much more higher than what you're learning from here. Sakshi, last few words to the youngsters, to the people. See, oh my God, Soumya is crying. What an affect you have incarnated. See, Soumya. After Adil, I think I've seen for the very first time some students crying and getting emotional. After Adil's felicitation, Praj, you remember Adil's felicitation?
Yes, sir.
Soumya, what happened? Okay, kuch kaho. Something, say something.